Hey guys, this is a little bit different than what I usually do, but and excuse my desk. I have all whole tons of stuff from working on stuff. Anyway, I have a bit of an unboxing for us. It is a skin from Mightyskins, and my problem with it was on their on their website when you make your own skin. It says that exactly how it looks in the preview is how it looks, or how it's going to look here. Now, my problem with that is that I gave them a super high quality image and it still came out pixelated. I contacted customer service. They said they pulled up the image. It looks great. There's no pixelations or pixelizations or whatever the hell you call it. So they sent it, and I was like, great. So I'm going to unbox it. It hasn't been opened. And we're going to see if that rings true as far as how it looks and everything else. So let's go ahead and just relax over there for a second. Perfect. And let's take out the first piece. It's just the how do you apply it kind of situation. So I'll put that aside. And here is the skin. Now, let's see how it looks. I'm going to... Yeah, not too impressed, really. On camera, it comes out pretty good, but they are very blurry. Very, very blurry. Like, especially... You can tell, I think. This is a super, super sharp image. And... yeah. A lot of it's come out blurry. Well, I'm gonna have to contact somebody about that. So just so you know, guys, anytime you do a custom thing on Mightyskins, they look exactly like they do in the preview, because although it wasn't pixelated like it was when it showed me, it did come out way blurry. More blurrier than I would have liked anyway. Maybe I'm nitpicking. Maybe you guys see that and see it as fine. But for me, I paid a decent amount of money for it, and I'm not impressed. Not impressed at all. So I'll probably make another video. I'll probably make another video about it on and the application process. I might not even apply this to my phone, honestly. Yeah. So just so you guys know, this is what this is a promise from Mightyskins saying that it's gonna be perfect, because it's not. They will do anything for $1, I guess. All right. Thanks, guys.